Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 201 pleated filter media, designed for the models 2200 and 2250 media air cleaners. Detailed installation instructions are located on the back of the box. This filter is installed inside the plastic housing within the air cleaner. The media cleans the air as it passes through your air cleaner, removing the harmful particles that circulate through your home. New filter media is crucial for maintaining air quality and reducing the negative effects of allergens such as pollen, dust, and pet dander. Filter media is not cleanable and must be replaced a minimum of twice a year, once in the heating season and again in the cooling season. If your home only has heating, the filter must be replaced annually. Please note, if you have shedding pets or live in a dusty environment, you will need to replace the filter media more often. Failure to replace your filter can result in reduced heating and cooling efficiency, high energy bills, expensive repairs, or total equipment failure. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.